Joining an agency on Bigo Live enables you to grow faster. If you are new to Bigo Live or you are old to Bigo Live, joining an agency will help you to grow faster on Bigo Live. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to join Bigo Live agency. So guys, that was much of your time. Let's dive right into the video. So if you are new to Bigo Live and you don't know what a Bigo Live agency actually do, Bigo Live agency actually helps hosts to train them. They train hosts, they explain the rules to new beginners on Bigo Live, and they also help you with your payments problem. If you're having any payments problem, they're going to help you to fix that issue. That is the work of agency on Bigo Live. Apart from that, they actually earn some commission from your activities. So that is actually what they do on Bigo Live. So in order for you to actually join them, you need to go to your Bigo Live app like this. So let's say you don't have the app, you can actually go to your Play Store like this and search for Bigo Live. If you want, I can drop the link for you on this video comment section or description. So right here you can see the app. You just need to go ahead and install it on your device. After installing it, log into the app with your Gmail or create an account with your Gmail. It's that simple. Now you have an account, you need to make sure that you fill in your details correctly. Don't fake your details, fill in your details correctly. So the next step you need to take in order to join an agency is to find a trusted person that you can join their agency. There are actually 3 ways you can join agency on Bigo Live. You can join agency on Bigo Live by invitation, if someone invites you to join their agency, or you can actually join by official Bigo agents. There are some official Bigo agents, or you can join by having some trusted people who invited you to join their agency. These are the 3 ways you can actually join. So let's say you don't have anyone in mind. Clicking on the search button on your home page like this, if you click on the search button and search for agents, you are going to see some relevant agents right here. Let's go ahead and select any of them like this. So I'm going to join the Mr. Restool agent. You can actually join anybody depending on your choice. Looking here, if that person is an agent, you're going to see where it says profile, and you can see where it says agent profile. If you're not seeing agent profile here, it actually means that that person is not an agent. So you can go ahead and click on agent profile like this. Now looking here, you can see apply for singing. It can be applied for any other thing, but you just need to go ahead and click on apply like this. So when you do that, looking here, it says benefits of becoming a signed host: earn additional commission income, gain more supportive traffic, unlock all live gift tools, receive more official guidance. This is going to be your benefits. So you can actually join by clicking on join at the bottom of the screen. So when you click on that, you need to go ahead and click on confirm. So when you do that, looking here, it says go to Bigo Live Me Creator Center to get more information. So let's go to our profile. Looking here on your profile, you can see Creator Center. If you click on Creator Center like this, it is going to load up. So here at the top left corner, you can see live and you can see agency. Clicking on agency to switch to agency like this, you're going to see the option of apply to become an agent, and also apply to be an administrator / agent. So clicking on apply to become an agent like this, it is going to load up. So in order for you to be an agent, you need to fill in this form. Looking at it says agency type. Now let's select individual. So after inputting your details like this, looking here on the screen, I'm done inputting my details. So after inputting your details, at the bottom of the screen you can see submit. So you need to go ahead and click on submit like this. So I've submitted the form now, and my form is actually under review. The next step is agency verification. They are going to verify your information. They might request for your Bigo Live ID, a screenshot of your profile, and you must be of 18 years plus in order for them to accept you as an agent on Bigo Live. So this is the requirements. Now you just need to wait patiently and your agency is going to be approved. So this is how simple it is to join Bigo Life agency. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.